No, that's not it. You step it. You gotta glide your foot back and step when it's on the toe. Bro, get out of here!
She told me her name would be Jean as she crossed the scene. Then heavy hair turned with eyes to dream of being the one.
Hey, what?